So here I have the MaxCam dual battery charger for GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the case it comes in. It's plastic wrapped. You can see what it looks like here in the front. We got some stats here in the back. Let's go ahead and open it up. So we do get a decent length USB Type-C cable, which is about 2 feet. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. We also get a little manual here, how to use it. And the charger itself, which actually looks pretty nice. You guys can see the pins there where the batteries go in. Looks like we got a couple LEDs here. And on the back, this is where we're going to plug in the USB-C charging cable. And on the bottom there, we can see we got little rubber feet, which is really nice. Actually, very good quality. So let's plug in the cable. We can see it does green glow when there's nothing there. So I have the GoPro 11 and I got a couple of these batteries, so they're just going to simply insert going down, and it looks like that battery's full because it's still staying green. Let's see this one, and that one's turning red because it's charging. Yeah, very nice compact charger that would be very useful, as if you don't have a charger, kind of like I don't, this is a must to have to charge your batteries.